Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing 3 things that casting directors wish you knew. All right guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling, and I want to share these with you because for us these are very important, and I know without other casting directors these are really important. So the very first thing is that we're not necessarily looking for models that all look the same. So don't feel like if you go and look at, say, our Instagram and say, well, I don't look like any of these girls, that doesn't mean that we're not looking for someone that looks like you. It could be a different project that we're looking for someone, and we just don't have someone that has that look. So you can always bring something new to the table. So don't be afraid to audition and to submit your portfolio just because you don't think you look like the models that are there. It doesn't matter. You don't need to look like the models that the agency already has. The next thing is that your professionalism is more important than your look. So this is really something that I'm really passionate about, and this is why it's so important. If you haven't seen our videos about modeling auditions and what you need to do, one of the big things that we talk about all the time is being on time and being professional on set and being an asset to a project. And so these are the things that are really important to us. Yeah, your look is important, but your professionalism is huge because it's an investment for the agency that we put into the models, to promoting you and to putting you out there for different projects. And it's key for us to know that if we're promoting you, you're going to go out there and you're going to be a part of the agency and you're going to represent us well as well, because you've got the agency name on you. And so we don't want you, showing up late to a photo shoot or causing problems or issues on a set. That's why professionalism is more important than your look. And the last thing that I want to share is that your success is determined by your motivation. So, oftentimes models think, well, I'm signed with the agency, that's it. I can kick back and just wait for everything to land in my lap. And that's just not the case. Again, agencies are representing lots of different models, and so they're trying to make things fair for everyone and just giving everyone opportunities. And so you may not get as much as you think you're going to get with an agency. So you have to be prepared to go out there and do a little bit of legwork on your own, and don't be afraid to reach out on your own and then bring the work to the agency, because this is what's really going to determine your success, is your motivation, your drive to get out there and get some work for yourself. So hopefully these are some tips that will help you out, some things that we casting directors would really like for you to know. Hope this helped you out. Like this video, leave me a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.